Apple just launched digital ID technology that could transform how automation professionals access industrial facilities and equipment. Getting contractors into automotive plants takes days, aerospace and defense even longer. Automate America sees this as a catalyst for the professional gig economy. Digital IDs could track safety training, drug tests, and certificates while replacing passwords, eliminating fraud, and create accountability when engineers remotely log into PLCs or industrial robots. But the same technology that speeds access also raises surveillance concerns. Sam Altman's Worldcoin uses retina scanning on blockchain for similar verification. That seems a little scary. Automate America is exploring how these tools serve contractors across North America while protecting privacy. What are your thoughts? Leave your comments to voice your concerns or applause. Visit automateamerica.com to post your opportunities now. Have a great day.